Hey guys, welcome back to Walden's World. Like, subscribe, hit the notification button. I'm building my 150 RB. I literally put brand new crank, cylinder, cam chain, everything, but I did not replace the cam and the stupid thing wouldn't run. So I actually took it over to my buddy's shop because I was like, heck, I'll just pay him a little bit of money. He can fix it right quick. Well, he sent it back home with me. He's like, I'm not sure. He thought I was actually a crank. And I'm like, man, I'm pretty sure it's cam. So I won't tell you where we took it, but if you look at your mountain holes and check your lobes here, this is my brand new hot cam I just bought. This is another cam, and you can see what's happened is when this thing stopped, the timing chain, this spun on this gear right here, and so we're out about, you can tell we're off so many degrees. I'd say about 4 degrees. So that's why my bike won't run. It's not getting exhaust and intake like it should. So if you rebuild a whole bike and you didn't change the cam and the motor blew up, it could be just the cam. And if you don't have another one or you don't know where them lobes are supposed to sit originally, this one sits down the cradle, so they're actually hard to see. But anyway, check the cam. It definitely could be that. This has happened to me on, I don't know, 3-4 bikes now. Usually the ones that got the big bore kits in them and like that are usually the ones that tend to explode. I've done 2 KLX110s like that. So if your bike's all rebuilt, no new cam, check your cam.